Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today, we're gonna record the lab 2 for COA. My name is Loai Ali and my friend is here.
Yeah, hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ali, the partner of Loai for the lab for the course COA. So now we're gonna proceed to begin for lab 2.
So Ali got the question 1, 3, and 5. He's gonna proceed with question number 1. Ali.
So here you can begin. You press the Loai the Q10 and the ESM. So proceed for the Q1. So
Yeah, we already started the file and we linked it, and now we're gonna go for the what? For the layout registers, right?
yeah, for the layout register.
And the most important thing is break.
It should be. I should tell you to do this. Yeah.
You are with running.
Move AX var 1 before
Okay.
the comma.
So,
And then, line 2, for the var 2, it's BX. Move BX.
BX?
Yes, this one.
From var 2, right?
Yes. And then for the line 3, which is the AX and BX, but XCG. This time it's not move.
So it's going to exchange, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we are going to be back to the var 1, move var 1, the comma. Now the AX will going to be at the last for line 4. Then var 2, then replace the A with the BX.
Correct. So this is the final state of this one, which is E0x80 and 1C.
Which shows the final state for the DOMREX. So this is, I think, the end main for question 1. Now let's move to question 2.
Now I quit. So I'm going to...
Question 2 is going to be with Loai.
Thank you. So this is for question 2. This is the value. These are the values. X is val 26. For the Y it's 30, and for the Z it's 40. So I'm going to move move the value, the X value inside the EX. So the EAX will be 26. Then I'm gonna do it negative. Then I'm gonna move again the EBX into 30, and then I'm going to subtract. Then I'm going to add. Lastly, I'm gonna increase, but since it's negative value, it's gonna go down, and then I'm going to store the result. So for my part, I'm going just to start the debugging. Then I'm gonna link. This is for linkage. Okay. I'm going to layout. Yes, this, and most important thing, break, start, and I'm gonna run the project. Yes, and here is it. You can see just a second iteration, and it's moving to the second. I have 7 lines for me, so this is the third line where I do the subtraction, and this is the fourth line already, where I add the first value with the second value, 26, which is minus 26 with minus 10, and then I'm going to increment, then I'm going to store the result. Okay, so here's the final result, and thank you very much. This is for my part.
Thank you, Roy. So now question 3 will going to be with me, which is for the UML that calculates the 3 of them, var 1 and var 2, to be added with var 3 minus 1. So now for the first line that we are going to use, it's the EX var 1. And then line 2, which is going to be add the 5 times 10 equal 50, it will going to be the mol var 2. And then to add it with the EX equal 50 plus 20, it will going to be equal to 70. So add EX, comma, var 3.
This is the addition, right? Addition.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
so now we're going to divide it. So the DS, not division, I'm sorry. So to be...
It's decrease, right?
Yeah. So we're going to be to the EX equals 69.
69, correct.
Yeah, decrease it, which is -1. My bad. These EX.
Okay.
Line 4.
Okay, that's line 4. That's
Yeah.
it, right?
No, the EX.
I should add one more line, right?
Yeah.
The decrease is already done in line 4, and that's it for move x1 to 1, and I think we're good, right?
Yeah.
Then I'm going to put... we are done with question number 3. We're going to question number 4, which is my part again.
This part. Then I'm gonna proceed for question 5. Thank you.
For my part in question 4, it defined var1, which is 40, and var2, which is 10. And I'm going to move it inside EX and move BX to be 5. Then I'm gonna multiply BX with the last value I have in, which is 5 times 40, which is 200. And then I'm going to do the move the BX value, store it, and then it's gonna be 10 for var2, because var2 here is 10. Then I'm going to subtract it with the last value, so it's gonna be 10 minus 3. Subtract 3 out of it. Then I'm going to divide and store the quantity. So I have here, as you can see, I move the value, then I store 5 inside the bx, and then I multiply. Then I did the second iteration, which is bx equal to 10. Then I subtract 3 from 10. And lastly, I store the result.
10 minus 3, so because 3 minus 10 is going to be negative. So 10 minus 3 equals 7.
Yeah, 10 minus 3, correct. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And lastly is the division. So I divide and then I move EX. I think this is my part here. It was easy. And then question number 5 is...
So now I'm going to proceed. So the first line, which is to clear the dx to the 0, and then for the ax, which is the 1000 hour, to load it to the ax.
Yeah, 1000 hexadecimal to load it to the EX. Then what 25 hexadecimal we're gonna be loaded to?
We're gonna be to the CX, to the 25. So now look at the EX.
Oh yeah, here. In the white lines, as you can see here, in the register group general, you can see the EX and the EDX. It's 2 hexadecimal. With the 5 is gonna be 25,000. Okay.
Okay.
That's all right.
Yeah. So look at the EX. So which is the number from that to the 500 is gonna be the normal number. Then the DX, the final one is gonna be to the 2.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm gonna proceed to question number 6, which is my part, and we're gonna end up there. So I'm going to proceed with the linkage. Then question number 6 is here. So what I have to do in question number 6, I have to move dx to 0, which is clearing it if it has any default values. I'm going to clear it by having it in 0. So break start, then run the program, then I'm gonna yes, then here. I'm going to firstly clear it, then secondly I'm going to move EX to the values of the dividing it, which is the D803 hexadecimal. Then I'm going to load the divisor, which is 10 hexadecimal, and then I'm going to divide here. But after I divide, you can see the values of EX, which is 380 hexadecimal, which is the last result that should be shown. Thank you very much, and we are done with our project. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my partner Loai, and it was actually so nice, and it was not easy. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.